Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we have a super simple DIY. I shot this in one take, which rarely happens, so super simple. It's a blend of just 4 ingredients, and it's like a hybrid between a bubble bath and a milk bath. So it's a foaming coconut milk bath. Again, really easy, creates a coconut scented powder. Add a few spoonfuls to your tub as the water is running, and you will be rewarded with gorgeous, fluffy, coconut scented bubbles and really soft, silky bath milk. So yeah, if you want to learn more, please go down to the description box, click through to the blog. There's a bunch more information there, but for now, let's dive in. All right, since this is a powdery DIY, I'm going to go over the amounts first, and then I'm gonna pop on my dust mask, and then kind of everything will happen in speedy motion for you. I'm gonna need that dust mask so I don't choke on this. So we are going to need 10 grams of cornstarch, 20 grams of SLSa, 60 grams of powdered coconut milk, and 10 grams of colloidal oats. So I've got my dust mask here around my neck. I am going to pop this on, and we're gonna start weighing out our ingredients. All right, now we're ready to package it up. So this is a craft jar from Humblebee, and there's sort of the batch that I made for the blog in there already. So we can top this up. And we can grab a little shorter one and maybe make a giftable version. And now let's take a look at how it foams up. I'm gonna pop some distilled water in here, and then I'm gonna add a couple spoonfuls. Usually, ideally you would add a couple spoonfuls to a running bath, but I don't have a bath in here. And then I'm going to use this thing to simulate running bath. You can see that you get all kinds of lovely bubbles, and the bath water just feels amazing. It's really smooth and rich and smells like coconuts. I find kind of 2 to 3 spoonfuls this size in running water in your bath is a good place to start, but of course feel free to adjust based on the amount of bubbles you like. But yeah, there you go. You just made some foaming coconut bath milk. That was incredibly easy. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Do remember to go down to the description box below, click through to the blog for way more information on scaling, substitutions, links to all the ingredients, all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.